Welcome, friends. Today we will make a presentation. Fast delivery. Integrated email with Zakat and Income Authority and Authority. Egyptian taxes. We will do a preliminary test. For electronic invoice, we send it to the IRS. Egyptian. We open a new invoice. We choose the payment date and choose client. In the details, we specify the tax category. Saturday. In the post, we specify our products. We will choose a product. 1,000 and we will say, it is £11. And we will choose a product. 8,000. 5 and we'll say, it is £12. And we will choose a product. 1,006. We will say that it is £13. The total remains ours, £36. We will update the song. And we save. After saving, choose if this is the electronic invoice. I want to know if my ETA will appear. Create E-Invoice. The E-Invoice is supposed to have two important things. The first thing is that I make a sign for the invoice through the USB token electronic service or electronic signature for the Egyptian tax authority. Make a sign. It appeared that she had worked as a sign. I will make a bond. IRS. It has arrived. When I make the check for breakfast, his mother is £36. People, back for £36. On the production environment. The breakfast is correct. 100%. 3 products were posted. Sections 11, 12 and 13. Then we will start making repairs. Electronic receipt. We say we want a receipt. Electronic. We choose the payment date and choose the customer. In the same way we did the electronic invoice. We do electronic receipt. We choose the products. And the product. 1,005. We will say that for £22. And the second product for £33. And we work. Update for the singer. Year. It is determined. E-reset. We will store. Save. I had reservations. We will start submit. That's it. I got deported. I will do it. The rise should also be expected with the yo-yo ID. Okay, stay safe. Make a dime. Do you use it for a whole cent? We will check the registry. On the actual environment, we have 55 whole receipt producers. Asal is 100% true. 1,005. 22335555. And if it was a quick video to show the connection between ERPGenex, the electronic invoice and the electronic receipt of interest. Egyptian taxes. Thank you.